MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. Alright y'all, so happy Monday. I just enjoyed my 39th birthday weekend. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm 39. One more year to go, y'all, before I hit that big 40. But I am happy. I feel like I used to avoid getting older, and I used to kind of like be like, nope, I'm still 20 something. No, because I have all this good wisdom now. So I appreciate being 39. I really do. I appreciate being my age now. Alright, anywho, we're here to talk about this good human hair wig that I have for you all today. This wig comes courtesy of BLY Hair Beauty. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. I truly appreciate it. So this is their Afro Kinky Curly 4x4 human hair lace front wig. So of course this is a closure and not a lace front, which to me is a whole lot easier to deal with. This unit comes with 150% density and is 12 inches long. BLY Hair Beauty is a vendor on Amazon, and I appreciate you all for sending me this wig. So this unit did come all natural black. I decided to throw some highlights, you know. Sometimes I gotta just do a little something different. Just can't keep it all natural and how it comes. Gotta let these creative juices flow. Alright, so we're just gonna dive right on into this review. Alright, so here is the unboxing of this hair, and they also sent along a wig cap and an info card. This is the nice, pretty Afro Kinky curly hair, very nice coils. Now this unit does not come pre-plucked, as you can see here, so I did have to go in and do some plucking. As I mentioned before, this is a 4x4 closure wig and not a lace front, so you only get that 4 inch of parting space. Now it is a pretty standard cap construction with the two combs on the side, one in the middle, one in the back, and the adjustable straps. Alright, so for the highlighting process, I'm using this Quick Blue Extra Strength Bleach Powder along with some 40 volume developer. I already had a little bit mixed in, but I needed a little more developer to get it as creamy as I like it before I begin. I'll also be using this brush along with some foil that I've already cut up in advance. And I've already sectioned off the hair, so I'm going to be starting in the back, later realizing that I needed to start in the front. But in this back row, my pattern is just going to be to start by highlighting the outer sections of this particular parting space. And then on the next row, I'll do the opposite by highlighting the middle portion and leaving the sides alone. So that was kind of my pattern throughout this process. Now I am lathering up this hair very generously with this, this bleach. And I am trying to make sure that I'm covering every strand of the hair, pushing the hair around on the foil, and then I'm also going to brush the hair through just to make sure all of the strands are coated. So then I realized I probably should have started at the front because that's where I want the hair to be the lightest versus it being lighter in the back. So I realized that and I switched to bleaching the front. Now I'm not gonna take you through this entire process because it can be quite lengthy, but I'll probably go ahead and do this section of hair and, you know, kind of bypass the rest of this process. As you can see, I am brushing through every section that I plan to bleach just to make sure it is as detangled as possible. Alright, so now I have all of the hair bleached and I let it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. And after I took all of the foil off, I did shampoo it with this Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, as well as deep condition it with the silicone mix, which is absolutely amazing, by the way. Even if you have some of your own natural hair that is damaged, that is a great solution. So now I'm taking off all the foil and I'm going to begin this washing and deep conditioning process. I also want to mention that I did bleach the knots off camera as well as did a twist out off camera for this style. So this is what my twist out looks like after it has dried overnight, maybe a day or two, I can't remember. And now I am going to prepare to install this unit. So I wanted to show you all the products I use, which was some Cream of Nature. I use this Argan Oil by Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, as well as this oil. And then I also followed it with this moisturizing hair lotion. And then I followed that with some Cream of Nature Argan Oil foam mousse. Those are the products I use for this twist out. And now, of course, I'm using my Got to Be Glue Free Spray to melt this baby down. So let's talk about this one. Now let me go ahead and say excuse the noise that you might hear. My son is outside playing basketball. The life of a teenager. He just had a birthday too. Our birthdays are 2 days apart. And all I kept thinking when I was pregnant, please don't come on my birthday. Please don't come on my birthday. But he came 2 days before my birthday, so I can deal with that. He's my pride and joy though. He's a Leo too, and like we get along like we are like this. That's my baby. That's my little prince. He's just like me. Alright, I digress. So, you just saw the whole styling process, the whole highlighting, all of that jazz. I know a lot of people think that that is a lot of work to go through. And I guess it kind of is, but not really. But I love the outcome. I think the color blend came out super nice. Now, let's start with the hair. I thought I found inconsistencies with the hair texture, like coming out of the pack. Like when I washed it, before I dyed it at all, before I did any highlighting, I was just like, there's some pieces of hair that are kinkier than others. It's just not all the same, is what I've noticed. And now I can see when I did my twist out, I notice it in the twist out. Like there's some pieces that, you know, twist out, you know, it was really nice and curly. And then you get these pieces. And then it could be the bleaching. I'm not sure, but I did notice it before I added any bleach. So I'm not sure which one it is, but I did notice that, you know, the texture is not quite the same all the way through. Not a complete deal breaker for me. I mean, you know, I just like the fact that it's, you know, this little cute twist out. My hair, my natural hair can't do this, so this is like twist out goals for me. My hair will never do this. Never. That's why you never see it out. I don't wear my natural hair out. For what? It won't do what I want, so cornrowed, you stay. So it's human hair, so I didn't experience a whole lot of shedding. I think this is the perfect length. I love this length. Like, this is summertime vibes. I would grab this and rock this in a minute regularly. So I love this. Like, this will be a quick go-to for me. Quick go-to. I mean, because all the hard work is already done. I've already highlighted her. All you gotta do is make sure she's secure. That's it. Like, once you get her styled to your liking, done and done. Now, normally a lot of people do like the whole, you know, wet and like add product and brush it through to just keep it curly. But because this said Afro Kinky, I was like, I am better off doing a twist out. Like, let's just do a twist out. I'm sure it's going to come out nice like that. And it did. I'm quite pleased with the result. All right, so another thing to note about this unit is that it does not come pre-plucked at all. So I did go in and pluck it just a little bit. But I do love dealing with the closure better than a whole lace frontal. I mean, you only have this little piece to glue down. And look how, like, this looks like my hair. I feel like this looks like my hair. Like, it is blended well. This looks like my own twist out. So that I love. I love it. Now, of course, you can skip the whole highlighting and just wear it natural black. Y'all know I'm extra. I am extra. Like, when I looked at it, I was like, oh, man. I've done several just natural black curly wig reviews. So I just had to do something different. So, again, this unit can be found on Amazon. And the price of this unit is a whopping $59.99. I think that is a phenomenal price for a human hair Afro Kinky curly wig. Like, absolutely this is worth it. All right, y'all, so that's really all that I have. I hope you enjoyed this video and this creative styling of this Afro Kinky curly wig. I truly appreciate you all for watching this video. As always, please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.